So now, dear students, after we have completed our schematic and assigned reference designator and also performed electrical rule check and removed all the errors, the next step is to assign footprint to each of the components. These footprints helps to make PCB. So there are three ways to assign footprint to any schematic or any component in the circuit. The first way is, let's say I want to assign footprint to this barrel jack. I simply click on this, hit E and open its properties. Or the other way is, I close this, select this jack, right click on it and go to properties. And here in the fields there is a field with the name footprint. In order to assign footprint to this barrel jack, I simply click on this symbol in the value of the footprint field. By clicking on this will open the footprint library. So in the footprint library, first of all, I am going to search in this area about the barrel connector. So this is the list of connector barrel jack. In connector barrel jack there are different types of connectors, like this one I have highlighted, and its footprint is seen here on the right side. Similarly, if I click on this one, footprint changes, and these are all the list of footprints that are associated with the connector barrel jack. For our this one project, I am going to use barrel jack horizontal. Now you see this is the footprint which we will be looking or placing on the PCB. In order to visualize it in the 3D, click on this footprint and press Alt and numeric 3. This will open 3D viewer. This is the barrel jack, how this will be looking on our PCB. In order to see the only footprint, you can hide from here from this toggle 3D models. Clicking on this, the actual part which was shown above the PCB is not present now, but you can only see the footprint. So this is how our barrel jack will look. Now I close the 3D viewer, and in order to add this to the barrel jack symbol, in order to add this footprint, just simply double click on this barrel jack horizontal. Now my footprint is added to the symbol J102. After doing so, I can hit OK, and now my footprint, I have assigned a footprint to this barrel jack. The other way to add a footprint is, you can on the top toolbar you see this run footprint assignment tool. Click on this. You see in the center there are name of symbols with the reference designator like C101, 102, 103. These are all the symbols. On the right side there are footprint libraries. Let's say I want to add footprint to capacitor C101. Then this is the capacitor. I want to use capacitor with the SMD footprint. I will click on capacitor SMD, and on the right side all the associated footprints with the SMD capacitors will be listed here. So in this I scroll down and see if there is for 1206 package. So I am going to use footprint of 1206 package for this capacitor. I double click on this, and the footprint is now added to my symbol. In this way you can also add footprint to your symbol. This is the second way. Hit OK, and now footprint is added to this symbol. The third way is, you can click on this where you can bulk edit fields of all symbols in the schematic. Clicking on this, you will get a list of reference designator, their values and their footprint. In this you can also assign footprint by clicking on this symbol in the footprint field, and here you search for capacitors, or simply on the filter you can write capacitor and choose SMD, and we are going to use package for 1206. This is, so you can also see this capacitor in 3D view. Click, you can press Alt 3 on your keyboard, and this is how your capacitor will look like on your PCB. If you want to see the footprint, simply hide the component. Hiding the component, you can see this is your footprint on the PCB. So double click on this footprint, will add the footprint to the symbols. You can also highlight this footprint, hit Ctrl C, and here Ctrl V. This is another way to add footprint into to associate footprint with the symbols. So I want all the capacitors of the same package with the C106. Again I control copy. So I have added footprints to the to all the capacitors C101 till C104. As you see, whichever reference designator I am clicking on, my schematic editor highlights that component. Like I clicked on C101, you see it's C101, C102, C103, C104. In this way you can get an idea on the component which is when you click on any of the reference, that component highlights which give you an idea to which component you are going to associate a footprint. Now I am going to assign footprint to this LED, and simply click over here, go to right over here. I want footprints for LEDs. I am going to use through hole LED, and through hole LEDs I am going to use LED with dia 5 mm. Let's see this LED in 3D view. Hit Alt 3, and this is the LED. This is how it looks in 3D view. You can see its footprint. This is the only footprint, and if you click on this you can see how your LED will look on your PCB. But double click on this, this will add footprint to the library, to the symbol. Again I want to add footprint for D102 LED. Again I double click on this, and footprint is added. Now I want to add footprint for J101, which is 2x2 connector. Click over here, open the footprint library. Over here write connector, and you will find over here connector pin header 2.54 mm. 2.54 is the pitch, and here I find 2x2 connector vertical with the pitch 2.54. You can see this in 3D viewer how it looks. This is the connector which we will be using in our project. So let's double click this. This will add to the symbol. Similarly J103 is also 2x2 connector. I simply highlight the J101 footprint name, Ctrl C, and over here I say Ctrl V. Now for the resistors, I am going to use 1206 package for the resistors. Over here I write resistors, resistor SMD, and I am going to choose 1206 package for this resistor. Double click this, this will add footprint to the resistors, and add R102. Again add this R1206 package over here. U101 and U102 package I have already added. If you want to see these package how these look for U101, which is 5 volt regulator, click on this and this is how it will look. Let's see in the 3D viewer. This is the footprint. The component on this footprint will look like this is the 5 volt regulator which I am using in this project. Okay, now for U102, which is 3.3 volt regulator, let's see how it this is the footprint for 3.3 volt regulator. If you want to see in 3D viewer, hit Alt 3 and this is the how actually this will be looking on your PCB. You want to see footprint, hide the component. If you don't want to see the component only footprint, you can again toggle it. This is how the component will look on your PCB. Close this and add this to your symbol. Now you see that all the reference designator against all the reference designator footprints are assigned to each and every component. Now the assigning a footprint is almost complete. You can also group your this material list, mat list by, you can group by reference designator, you can group by value, you can group by footprint, you can group by datasheet. This is the setting whatever you want to like. So today we have seen how to assign footprints to the component. After doing this, you hit OK, and now all the components in your schematics have a footprint. Let's say we want to check if D101 has footprint assigned to it. Right click on it, hit properties, and you will now find there is the footprint that is assigned to this component. So today we have seen different techniques to add footprint to the symbols